In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Google Finance portfolio. Whether you want to add new stocks, remove old ones, or simply organize your investments better, this can be done in just a few minutes. Let's walk through it step by step. First, head over to Google Finance. You can simply search for it on Google or type it directly into your browser. Once the page loads, you'll see a dashboard filled with market data, trending stocks, and financial news. To access your portfolio, you'll need to sign in. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner and choose the Google account linked to your portfolio. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one. This is important so you're editing the right portfolio. After signing in, you'll be taken to your personal dashboard. From here, look for the Portfolio section. This is where all your tracked stocks and investments are stored. Click on it to open your portfolio. Now you'll see an overview of your investments, including performance and price changes. To start editing, look for the three-dot menu or an Edit option near your portfolio name or within the page. Click on it and you'll see several options. From here, you can update your currency, copy portfolio, rename, remove stocks you no longer want to track, and adjust how your portfolio is organized. This is where you can keep everything up to date based on your current investment goals. For example, if you're exploring new opportunities, you can quickly add stocks to track them. Or if something is no longer relevant, you can remove it to keep your portfolio clean and focused. While you're here, it's also a good idea to explore some of the extra features Google Finance offers. You can create watch lists, follow market trends, and view detailed information about individual stocks. All of these tools are designed to help you better understand your investments and make smarter decisions. Keeping your portfolio updated is important. It gives you a clearer picture of your financial progress and helps you stay aligned with your strategy. And that's it. Now you know how to edit your Google Finance portfolio quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials on finance and digital tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.